ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. ತಾಯಿ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋದಾವರಿ ನರ್ಮದಾ ತಪತಿ ತುಂಗಾ.
Welcome you all to this auspicious ಭಾರತೀಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ದಿನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ
Independence Day, I would like to thank everyone who worked behind the scenes. I would like to thank our President Srinivas sir for joining us today's event. We are truly honored. Thank you, sir. A huge thanks to our principal madam Rangalakshmi Srinivas for her support and guidance. We are grateful for you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. To all our teachers, thank you. Because of your hard work, today we organized this work. Thank you all the teachers.